Darrell Crow.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. Who's the little guy with you?
My son, Jacob. Say hi.
Hi, young man. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob? How old are you, Jacob?
5.
Come up here. See if you can help me out. Right over here. Okay. Would you mind if I sit him on my lap?
No, he's fine.
Here we go. All right, Jacob. How old are you?
5.
Okay. Do you go to school yet?
No,
Not
September.
real school.
Not really?
September. He starts
September
kindergarten in
3rd.
September.
Do you have any idea what you want to do when you get to be a little older, like when you graduate from school?
A cook.
A cook? Is that what you said, a cook?
Yeah, me and my dad worked at a pizza place. Me and my dad are great cooks.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think you'd like to cook? What would be the best? What do you like the best?
Pizza?
Well, so far you're doing pretty good. All right, I'm having trouble with this case because I have a situation where your dad is charged with parking on a street up on the east side, and I have 3 choices. I can fine him $90, I can charge him $30, or I can charge him nothing. What do you think I should do?
30.
30. So you're a pretty good judge. Now, there's an old story about King Solomon, who everyone quotes, and King Solomon was all powerful, and usually he would split the difference. You know, he'd pick a middle road, and that's exactly what you did, and that's a very logical way to think. Is there anything better than 30, you think?
None.
None? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Have you had breakfast yet?
No.
No. Well, suppose I make a deal with your dad, okay? And the deal is that if he'll take you out for breakfast, then I'll dismiss the ticket. What do you think about that?
Eh.
You like that? Now, I want you to order up I want you to order a lot of stuff because he's going to be saving $30. Is that a good deal?
Yeah, just a little bacon.
Okay. All right, thanks for helping me out. Your stoplights, the bulb in your stoplight went out.
Yes.
Oh. Other than that, and that's not a moving violation. So you qualify under the statute to have this matter dismissed on your good driving record.
Okay, thank you.
Who's this with you?
My daughter,
What's her name?
Raven.
Hi, you gonna wave to me? Huh? Yeah. How old are you? 7? Oh. You want to come up here and talk to me?
Go see the judge.
Okay, now you're going to tell me your name again?
Raven.
And what's your favorite topic? What do you like the best?
English.
What do you like?
What?
What subject do you like best at school? Do you like math? Do you like English? Do you like singing? Do you like art? What do you like? Singing. Yeah? Okay. Now, someday when you get to be older like your dad, not like me, like your dad, right? What do you want to do? You want to be a school teacher? You want to be an aviator? You want to be an engineer? What do you want to do? Did you ever think about that? You want to be a judge?
Yeah.
You want to be a judge? All right, you like it up here? Okay, well, she's going to be a judge someday.
Hopefully I don't go in front of her.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
What's the little girl's name?
Janice.
Hi, Janine. You want to come up here and help me out? Hmm?
Sure.
Come on.
Don't mess with me.
Tell us your full name.
Janice.
Okay, and how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Wow. And do you go to school?
Yes.
What is your favorite subject? Is it math?
Yes.
Math. Is it English?
Yes.
I think you're going to say yes to everything I say, right? Well, let me ask another question. Do you someday think you want to be, when you get older, like a judge or somebody,
So you got it.
not old like me, but just older, when you graduate from college, what do you think you want to do in life?
Well, I wanted to be a teacher.
That's a very wonderful thing for you to do. That's a great job. That way you can help other people to improve their lives, right?
Yes.
And you get a great joy from teaching.
Yes.
You still want to be a teacher?
Yes.
Okay, you keep visualizing that in your mind, and that'll happen someday.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
All right. Now, would you like to be a judge, like for about 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to make you a judge, and you're going to help me out with your mom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you're going to be fair.
Just like
You're going to be fair and honest in trying to help me out, okay?
Okay.
And you promise. Okay, good. Now, your mom is charged with parking on the sidewalk, okay? And that fine is $100, okay? Now, she hasn't paid the ticket, so we have penalties in addition to the $100. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask her to give us an explanation.
Mhm.
And then we're going to make a decision on what we should do, okay?
Okay.
Now, do you have an explanation?
yes.
This
I
is
do.
on, you parked on Althea Street, you were parked on the sidewalk, and this was at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. I went to my cousin's house to pick up something, and when I went up, because the street is really bad, they was having a party, and I didn't want nobody to hit my car, so I went on the sidewalk to be able to go. I went upstairs, and then the police was there, and they didn't want to open the door because I guess they was gonna shut down the party, so I couldn't come outside. When I came outside, so the $100, and
Yeah, so you parked on the sidewalk while were you at the party as well?
yes,
Okay, so that's your explanation. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to make a decision. So your mom says, well, I went to a party at my cousin's house, and I parked on the sidewalk, and we were having a good time. And even if I wanted to move the car, I couldn't because the police were downstairs. So here's the choices now. I'm going to give us the choices by number, and then we make a decision. Don't look at anybody, just you and me, okay, because we're going to be fair. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we can do number one, is we can give her all the penalties, and that would be $300. Or we could do number two, and we can waive the penalties, so she pays no penalties, and she pays $100. Now look over here. Or we can do number three, and say, well, we'll give her a break, we'll cut the fine in half, we'll charge her $50. Or we can do number four and say, well, maybe we'll charge her $0. So the real fine is $300 with the penalties. The original fine is $100. And if you wanted to cut that in half, it would be $50. And the other is $0. So I am stuck. What would you do to be fair about this whole thing? How much would you charge her?
I'm gonna charge her number 3.
How much?
Um.
Did you say number 3?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Wait. What's the number again?
Huh?
What's the number again?
Let's go charge him 50.
50.
So you want to charge her $50. Okay.
I'm so done.
Now you're sure you don't want to charge her $100, which was the original fine?
No.
No. Okay, you can't charge her $0, right?
No.
Can't charge you $0.
No. Okay, I want to help.
Well, now I noticed that you're here with your mom. Who else are you here with? Wait a minute. You're here with your mom. Who else are you here with?
My sister
Yeah.
and my uncle.
And your uncle. Okay, now,
If you know your need no more.
right now, I know that you've been here since 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's like 9:20 already, right?
Yes.
So what did you have for breakfast this morning?
I didn't have anything for
Yeah,
this
'cause we
morning.
have to
My
come
stomach
here.
was actually
Mommy.
starving.
So you have not had breakfast today?
Pancakes.
Oh. Well, suppose I make a deal with your mom,
Get here.
okay? that if she buys you breakfast when you leave, that I'll dismiss it. I'll dismiss it. Is that a good deal?
This is a good, because
She wants your money. So I'll charge her $0 if she buys you breakfast. If you say it's okay, but if you say it's not okay, then she's going to pay the $50. What do you think?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay. Well, thank you so much. You did a great job. Morning, sir.
Good morning,
The charge was speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. And then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means, though.
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. And then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
Oh, you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the.
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that.
abiding
I
by
read the
is the
book.
issue.
That's why I
But
get
they
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my two babies. They're over there.
Where are
you know,
they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them up here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
Yeah. Were you in the
He was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't.
No, she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit,
So-
excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child, right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay. And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at the
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
Watch your step in the middle.
Over here. No, you stay there. You get back over there. I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good luck. Okay, you can go back. It's official. You are guilty.
No, he didn't understand. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well. Good luck to you.
Thank
you so much.
All right, goodbye. We have to make a decision. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I hold it?
You have to hold, we can both hold it, okay? All right, here's what I want you to tell me. Your mother.
That's a little hammer.
No. Listen to me. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Is your mother guilty or not guilty?
My mommy is Francine.
You're guilty.
Said Francine, he just said my name.
Oh, Francine.
Yes.
Oh, is she guilty or not guilty?
She's not guilty.
She's not guilty. Oh,
Good
not bad.
job, Papa.
Okay, you're going to be a good defense lawyer. Now, I'm going to make you the judge, and you're going to ask him if he has an explanation as to why he was parked on the sidewalk. You going to do that?
Why are we parked on the spot?
No, not yet. You have to listen to the whole thing first, right? And if you're a judge, you have to be very serious. You can't be laughing, right? Because nobody will take you seriously, right? So you got to put your judicial face on. Let me see it. No, this is the. Look at me. No teeth. Look at me. Look at me. There you go. Right now, I know that you've been here since 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's like 9:20 already, right?
Yes.
So what did you have for breakfast this morning?
I didn't have anything for this
'cause we
morning.
have to
My
come
stomach
here.
was actually starving.
So you have not had breakfast today?
Pancakes.
Oh. Well, suppose I make a deal with your mom,
Get here.
okay? That if she buys you breakfast when you leave, that I'll dismiss it. Is that a good deal?
This is a good because
She wants your money. Now, were you in the vehicle? No, you wasn't. Did you take a look at that? And what do you think I should do? Should I dismiss the case?
yes,
Why should I dismiss it?
because Mom was frightened by the man there.
Did you tell her to say that?
No, I
No.
did not.
Oh, so there was a man there, and if she stopped, right, he might have opened the door and asked her for money, and she was frightened. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
She's good.
She is good.
A situation where your dad is charged with parking on a street up on the east side, and I have three choices. I can fine him $90, I can charge him $30, or I can charge him nothing. What do you think I should do?
30.
30. So you're a pretty good judge. Hi. All right, come up here, bring him up here. I want to ask him a question. Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good one. Okay, you can go back. Okay, what'd you bring? Your two lawyers with you today? All right, let me know. What are their names? What is your name, young man?
Armando.
Armando? Armando? It's quite a nice name. Come up here. Armando, come here. Tell me, where do you go to school? You don't know the name of your school? No, wait. I'm talking to him. Where do you go to school?
Lillian Sackett Street.
Oh, Sackett Street School. Okay. And I'm the truant officer. Did you know that? Why ain't you in school today?
Because I had to come with my mom.
You had to come with your mom. Oh, why didn't she drop you off at school first?
Because she wanted us to go with her.
Oh, okay. You going to drive the kids to school after you leave the courthouse?
I don't speak English.
All right, get an interpreter. Interpreter?
Good morning.
This is Miss Ramos. We tell Miss Ramos she is charged with speeding on Huntington Avenue.
La multa es por velocidad en la Harrington.
Ask her if there's anything she wants to tell me
¿Le
about
quiere
this.
decir algo al juez?
Nosotros estábamos en la luz parado y al frente de nosotros había una guagua. Yo no me había percatado que estaban los guardias dando ticket. Ese día estaban dándole ticket a todo el mundo que pasaba por ahí. No nada más a mí. A todo el mundo que pasaba le daban ticket. Frente de mí había una guagua. Yo no me encuentro que yo estaba rápida.
Were you listening to your mother?
Yes, I was.
What did she say?
She said that she did not know because she didn't feel that she was going fast.
Were you in the car with your mother when this happened? Oh, either yes or no. Do you remember? Were you in the car with her?
Yes.
You were. Do you remember when the police officer pulled her over?
I do not remember when they pulled her over, but I was in the car.
Well, you don't remember being with the police officer when you stopped your mother?
No.
No? Then I don't think you were in the car. It must have been another day, right? So you just made a mistake, right?
Yes.
All right. Stop all that. Get over here. Get over here. Stand up straight. Put your hands down by your side. Okay. Get over here. All right, we're going to teach you a couple of things. Okay, so when I talk to you, you say yes, sir, no, sir, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here you go. Inspector Quinn, how's that?
Good. He's a good learner, Judge.
He's a good learner. He's a good kid, too, right? We're trying to see if we can help his mother here. Now, next we're going to have to ask you is, do you believe everything your mother said about this case?
Yes, I do.
All right. Do you believe everything she says about other things?
Yes, I do.
Even the ones she says about you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, she happens to say that you're a very good boy, so you believe that, right? All right. Now, you think your mother's a person that's deserving of a break in this case?
Yes.
So if you were me, stand up straight, real straight, okay? Okay. So if you were me and you had to charge your mother, would you charge her $95? Would you charge her a court cost of $60? Or would you dismiss the case? What would you do?
I would dismiss the case.
You would dismiss it? Well, I guess, Inspector Quinn, since I asked the advice, I have to take it. Well, you made a good impression today. You started off poor, but you've made a good recovery. Okay.
You rallied.
So is there anything else you want to say?
Yes, sir. My mom, she's looking for work because she's trying to move from a house. That's why she can't spend her money on anything.
All right. So your mom is in the search of a new apartment. She needs a new apartment. And you don't have much money at home, so this would be a real tough financial burden on her. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Shake my hand. Look at me in the eye. You're a good kid, right? You love your mom, right? You made a good plea on her behalf, and you're showing me that you understand the hardship that your mother is going through, right? But here's what you have to remember, okay? So you're a bright young guy, right? And your mother obviously comes from another country, and she brought you here so that you could have the advantages of this great country. So you're going to be very successful someday. And remember, take care of your mother, right? And your sister, and other people who need help, because you got a good heart, okay? All right, take care. Okay, the case is dismissed. How many 8-year-old children have the maturity to be more worried about their mom than they are about themselves? Not many. Armando is a rare and special young man, and so is his mother, for instilling in him such a strong sense of selflessness. I know their family is struggling right now, but seeing how that mother is raising her children, I feel hopeful that they will end up just fine. 3 unpaid parking tickets. Washington, Windmill, and 5th Street.
On Washington Street, I paid the meter, but it ran out, and by the time I got back to the car, I had a ticket on it.
The meter expired?
And when I got back, I had the ticket, and I just had a stroke like back in May. So I was just in the hospital, like when all that happened. I was in the hospital and,
You had a stroke?
yeah,
How you feeling?
still a little, not right, out of breath and weak. You know, well, my left side is weak.
You want to sit down?
No, I'm all right.
Okay.
I'm all right. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. The other 2 tickets, I was over at the Fatima Hospital on East Side.
No, that's Miriam.
Oh, okay, Miriam. And I parked where it says 2-hour parking. The hospital was packed, and by the time I got back to the car, I had a ticket. I don't know. It's like I ain't got no good luck at all, as far as when it comes to tickets and stuff. Trying to stay out of trouble, but still trouble finds me for some reason.
Oh, I understand that, that you're upset at parking tickets, but this really isn't trouble. Trouble is like when you had the stroke. That's trouble.
Yeah.
You're not working? You working?
No, I'm on disability right now. Social Security.
It's $30.
Okay.
I mean, good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
When I render a verdict, I really try to consider all of the circumstances. Now, here's this poor guy. He just had a stroke. He can't find any good luck. He's on disability. Yet, he's wearing a T-shirt that says "okay" with an exclamation point. I admire his optimism. I reduced the fine to $30, but you know what? I wish I had dismissed it altogether. That really would have been okay.
Eli Schwartz.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You have a parking ticket, parking 25 feet to a corner on Carpenter Street.
Yeah, so this is just, I don't think this has ever happened to me before, and I'm sure that I did park there because I go there to get breakfast. I park on Carpenter to go to place I get breakfast, but I never got this ticket, so I just got this in the mail last week for $90 in a court.
You sleep late in the morning?
What's that?
You sleep late in the morning?
I have 2 days a week that I can go get breakfast.
You got the ticket at 11:42.
Yeah.
You wasn't having breakfast at 11:42.
No, I would. I get up at like 8:30, but I won't eat until around.
You get up at 8:30, you wait 3 hours to go have breakfast.
Well, I have 2 parrots. I feed them, then I do my morning work.
Inspector Quinn, this is the parrot defense.
The parrot.
Your Honor, that's probably why I don't have parrots, because I eat breakfast before lunch.
But I don't like to eat that early. But
Inspector Quinn has breakfast at 6, 7:30, 8:45.
I only have breakfast
9:30
once
in
a
the
day.
morning.
But the issue is that I never got a parking ticket because I would just pay. I would just pay it.
Oh, you just pay it.
I would.
All
I
right.
think.
Who else do you feed in the morning? Besides the parrots.
Just the parrots. One of them's actually a bit sick, and I have to.
Oh, this is a sick parrot. I can't take it. Inspector Quinn, he's tugging at my heartstrings now. The sick parrot.
Your Honor, I'm going to have to issue a subpoena for the parrot to come in and testify that he never got the ticket on the car.
The parrots are not, really the issue because even if I'd gone earlier, I probably would have got this.
Mr. Schwartz.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Do the parrots have names?
They do.
Oh, what are their names?
Chico and Missy, the 2 parrots.
Chico and Missy.
Yeah.
Oh.
We adopted them. They already had their names, so.
Did you do that through the family court, or you did it for you?
Not through the family court, no.
All right. So the ticket was a $30 ticket. Now it's $90.
Yeah, that's what I'm upset about. Yeah.
All right, but you would have paid the $30 if you got the ticket. Right?
I would have.
Ticket was issued. You drive a BMW?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to waive the $60 penalty.
Thank you.
All right, that'll give you more money for Missy and what's the other guy's name?
Chico.
Chico.
Chico's the expensive one.
All I can
Chico's
say is he gets up at 8:30 and then he feeds the parrots and then doesn't have breakfast until 11:42. These parrots must have one great appetite. Let me tell you. It's $30. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
You save $60.
लार्ज अमाउंट हो रही है जी, लार्ज। एक बार फिर करते हैं, once again